Hey guys, welcome out to the range. I'm putting some work in with my home defense 11.5 suppressed because I just made some changes to the gas block, so I need to make sure it's going to run. And so I thought I'd bring you guys along. This is a variation of the Handgun Combatives box drill, which is much smaller than this. This is very large. Instead of 5 yards apart, the targets are 10 yards apart, and the positions are 10 yards and 20 yards as opposed to, I can't remember what it is, but I'll put it on the screen for the Handgun Combatives box drill. So anyways, I'm still working up the number. I'm running the shot timer in timer mode, where basically I have it on delay and it fires, and then it starts counting as I start moving. And I'm thinking about making this one 2 shots as opposed to 1, only because I want recoil mitigation. I want to have the shot, recoil, and then find the shot again. So this is going to be a variation on the Handgun Combatives box drill, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, malfunction. Figure out why that gun malfunctioned. One of the things that I said on camera at the beginning, okay, 12 rounds, 38 seconds. One of the things that I said on camera at the beginning was that I made some changes to the gas block setting on this, and well, locked back. It's still spinning the casings forward, so gonna have to find my happy place with it, but this is a home defense gun. It's got to run. All right, I've adjusted the gas this time. Let's see what we have. Oh, that's so much better. So much better. Yeah, it's a lot better. You know, and unfortunately, to get that, well, I'm not going to say it on camera, I'm having to tweak things in a manner that I don't want. I'll have to have a chat. That's so much better. The recoil impulse is different. I changed the buffer. I actually put the Griffin SOB back in, and it's giving the system more weight to fight against. Guys, cans are really hard on guns. Yeah. Thanks for coming out. Have a good one.